Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Daryl, and this is Milling by Daryl. So today's been really a dreary day outside. We had rain this morning, and it's been cloudy all day, and it's misting right now. So I was limited on what I could do because it's really muddy out here. But I did fill an order today. I had to do some dimensional stuff on my sawmill. I had to do some cuts to certain lengths for a customer, and I had to make some 6x6s. So got all that pretty much done. But then kind of to wind up the day, I think I'm going to do a little piece of walnut because I don't think I've showed what walnut looks like, what freshly cut walnut looks like. So I'm going to do that to end up the day. Hold on just a second. Okay, so I've got the mill started, so here we go. We'll take it down about 1.5 inches. Here's my scale, so we'll put that up. It's hard to do this with just one hand. So we'll put that up to about 18, and then we'll go down 1.5 inches to right there. So now we're going to cut this log at 1.5 inches. Here we go. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Beautiful as expected. Great looking plank. This is what walnut looks like inside. You see why it's such a sought after hardwood. So I'll turn it over. If I don't turn it over, I'm gonna hit these things. You can see where I've already hit them on both sides. Once you hit them with your blade is done. And I already hit it one time yesterday, and those blades are not cheap. So let's flip the log over. Man, it's hard to do this one-handed. And we'll lower these down. And we'll lower this other side down. You can hear my water dripping over there. That's to keep the blade cool. And I've got to get my log stopper. Sorry about the footage. So we'll get this secured. Maybe. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's take the top part of this log off. The top part you really don't use. It's just, when I say the top part, this part right here, there's really no use for it. Sometimes I keep them and just give them away to people. There's a lot of artists that can do things with them. Other times they just kind of go in the burn pile because there's really not a use for them, and I have so many of them, I have to do something with them. So we'll take the top off of this log. There's part of the walnut there. Let's take it back. And it looks like we'll probably just get one more cut. So we'll take this back up to 18. and then we'll take it down 1.5 inches to be consistent. So now it's going to cut 1.5 inch planks. So let's make sure I'm not going to hit something on the other side. All right, those things are down. Those things are down. Okay, here we go. Tell this is a new blade because it just cuts like butter right through this. And plus, when the wood doesn't move after it exits the backside, like you just saw it, the blade just exited it and it didn't move, you've got it exactly where you should have it. So here's the piece of walnut that's just freshly cut, and this is green walnut. But I'll put these, I've got 4 different planks. I'll put those against the table. So that's kind of what I was doing today. I think I'm going to finish up, clean up, and have a good evening. I got a little fire back there. It actually survived the rain. So hope you enjoyed today's channel and today's video. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. I hope everybody has a great week. And this is Daryl with Milling by Daryl. It's been a great day to mill.